have to manufacture differently and do things differently than we've done in the past. And that's what the Institute for Product Realization is all about. It's bringing together the core facilities at the University of Louisville to allow us and to allow our state and nation to be competitive in a world economy.
The ecosystem to me is where you get a critical mass of people with a whole lot of different backgrounds, whether that's in 3D printing or advanced manufacturing, that you can take advantage of. So rather than having the power of one, you have the power of many.
Most of the time companies have to go all over the world in order to find all these resources. But here at UofL we have all those resources in one park, the IPR.
The advantage of the IPR for a company especially is within the University of Louisville. We have so much expertise in advanced manufacturing, whether that's in alternative energy, whether that's new material development, whether that's 3D printing, whether that's logistics. It enables them to come in and take advantage of all those resources, as well as the City of Louisville and the UPS World Port for being able to get parts shipped very rapidly. Rather than having to take weeks to develop something, they can walk down the hall and gain advantage of our expertise from the staff and our faculty that know these technologies inside and out.
This is a living laboratory. So we're going to have companies, students, researchers, faculty, and staff members all working together under the same roof, all striving toward a single goal. They're solving real-world problems on site.
The whole idea is to connect the work that we do in academia to society.
Getting from the lab bench to the real world. That is what the IPR will do.
You need to take that technology into marketplace. You need to scale it up in terms of production, prototype it, show it to the customer. So the Institute for Product Realization accelerates that process.
The best ideas come when people from different walks and different businesses collaborate with each other. That's when the best ideas come to life. We'll be one of the first people to move in there because we look at the IPR as the advanced manufacturing ecosystem which gives rise to great ideas and gets products to market.
With the opening of the IPR, small companies will have access to talent, engineering services, and facilities that are normally available only to multinational companies.
You and I as consumers, we always want the latest product, the latest iPad, the latest this. We like to consume, so we as consumers want products. It's just where they're going to be produced, and they ought to be produced here in Kentucky.
Microfactory is an embodiment of a large factory, but it is designed so that we can put together saleable products very rapidly and take it to the market.
I think what we've seen from most of the microfactories, from Local Motors and from First Build, is how quickly they've been able to take new ideas and turn them into a product for evaluation or for people to test.
We want to open up our design, build and sell process where we invite people in. We are open to ideas from anyone and we are not constrained by the volumes. If we make two and we can sell them, we make two and sell them. And in the process we get a very valid, very fast consumer feedback in the form of a check. So if they're willing to write a check and they're willing to buy your product, that means it will sell.
Companies can go through the design, the manufacturing, the prototyping, and the testing stage very, very, very quickly, and months instead of years.
I think it's really going to help bridge that. They call it, the valley of death. You have technology that starts at university and then it never makes it to the commercial market space. And really what they're doing with that is trying to say, let's put together the technology, the manufacturing facilities, so that you can bridge that gap sooner, quicker, and actually efficiently make it into the commercial market space.
We are not a prototype or a model shop. We are not high volume production. We are right in the middle, where we are cost effectively making new products and taking them to market. Good ideas on how to make new products or better products can come from anywhere. So in co-creation, what we do is we pair up the best ideas from anywhere with the domain expertise to get products to the market very rapidly.
Having the world help you create your product, really they are contributing to your testing, your market analysis, your fine-tuning of your product ideas.
It'll bring a lot of interesting people to Louisville, both physically and through our digital connectivity. And these folks will change the innovative nature of the work that is being done here. And through the collective brain power, will innovate and create solutions.
The whole idea of using the crowd to generate ideas and flesh them out and proof them is fantastic. I'm excited about the prospect even of co-creation of research rather than just product development.
With this model of co-creation and microfactory and innovation, it has proven to be very successful in terms of embracing the community's ideas. So when you think about a product flowing from beginning to end and how quickly we are able to innovate currently with the co-creation model, I get very excited about the opportunity that exists for the IPR to continue to drive that innovation, and the community as a whole obviously will be elevated through that activity.
One of the exciting parts of this environment is the ability to interact with people who don't do anything like what you do. And so that creates new opportunities to learn things, see things from a different perspective.
It will serve the small manufacturers with the same benefit as it does the large manufacturer, and a lot of your small to mid companies would not have access to either the technical workforce that we will assemble, nor would they have access to that level of precision in equipment.
We see this as a tremendous opportunity to develop a workforce that is not just going to respond to the needs of today, but is going to create the opportunities for growth in the future.
We will compete worldwide, and we're already excited about our partnership with UL because we're their worldwide training center for additive manufacturing.
It's kind of a perfect fit to put a training center right where the cutting edge research is happening. If you want to be globally competitive and you want to make new products and you want to use advanced manufacturing techniques, come to Louisville. Whether you're a small company, a medium company, or a large company, come to Louisville. We're going to have everything under one roof to help get your product to market faster.
The University of Louisville's Institute for Product Realization is bringing the global community together to turn ideas into reality.